In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PicsArt Gold app on Android. First, you want to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is where you will find and install the apps you need. Look for the app icon, which is usually a colorful shopping bag with the Google Play symbol. Once you tap on it, the store interface will load, displaying various categories and featured apps. This step is essential because the Google Play Store is the official source for downloading apps safely. When you find yourself on the homepage, you are ready for the next step. Next, you will search for PicsArt AI Photo Editor. At the top of the screen, there's a search bar where you can type in the name of the app. Take your time to spell it correctly, as this ensures you find the exact app you need. As you type, suggestions will appear. These can help guide you to the right app faster. Once you see PicsArt AI Photo Editor in the list of results, you can confidently click on it. Finding the right app is crucial, as there are many similar ones available. After selecting the app by PicsArt Inc., you will be taken to the app's page. Here, you can see detailed information about the app, including its features, ratings, and reviews from other users. It's always a good idea to glance through these details to understand how the app works and what users think about it. This information can reassure you that you're making a good choice. Once you've reviewed the details, look for the green Install button and tap on it. Now, the app will begin downloading and installing on your device. You'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This process usually takes just a few moments depending on your internet speed. It's exciting to see the app preparing for use. Once the installation completes, you will see an Open button appear. This step is vital because it ensures you have the latest version of the app, which often includes new features and security updates. Once that is done, you can open the app and sign in or create an account. If you already have a PicsArt account, simply enter your credentials to log in. If you are new to PicsArt, you will need to create an account. This usually involves providing an email address and setting a password. Having an account is important because it allows you to save your work and access it across devices. You will see a welcome screen guiding you through the next steps. From there, tap the Gold or Upgrade button, which is usually marked with a crown icon. This is where you can access the premium features that come with PicsArt Gold. The crown icon is a clear indication of the extra benefits waiting for you. By tapping this button, you signal your interest in unlocking those premium features. This action opens up a new world of editing tools and assets, enhancing your creativity. Next up, you will be prompted to choose a gold subscription plan or a free trial if available. The app typically offers various subscription options, such as monthly or yearly plans. Take a moment to review these choices and select the one that best fits your needs. This is a great opportunity to enjoy premium features at a reduced rate through the trial, so consider it if you're unsure about committing yet. Your selection here is key to enjoying all the benefits of PicsArt Gold. After making your choice, confirm the purchase with your Google Play account. You will need to enter your payment details if they are not already saved. This step is essential because it finalizes your subscription and grants you access to all the premium features of the app. You might see a confirmation message letting you know everything is set up correctly. Once this is done, you can start exploring all the amazing tools and features that PicsArt Gold has to offer. Now you are ready to unleash your creativity with PicsArt Gold. Enjoy editing and enhancing your photos,